I am in absolutely no doubt that if China had not stood behind Russia by buying its oil, supplying it with goods and technologies, from bulldozers to semiconductors and and engines for drones, the Russian army would no longer be in the fight in Ukraine. And while Beijing has clearly stated that it cannot accept Russia's defeat in Ukraine, I think it also has strong reasons to want to avoid Ukraine's defeat. A Russian victory would lead in Ukraine would lead to a highly unstable situation, not just in Ukraine itself, but beyond Ukraine's borders. So this would, first of all, destroy Chinese hopes of being the major player in Ukraine's reconstruction. And this sort of wider destabilization would, I think, inflict serious damage on Europe. And China has no interest in the economic and political dislocation of Europe because of simply the importance of the European market for Chinese goods. So perhaps it isn't fanciful to think that China could yet play a role in constraining Putin's ambitions in Ukraine and perhaps helping to create the conditions for an eventual peace agreement. President Xi almost certainly shares President Trump's assessment that the Russian leadership blundered in Ukraine by being unable to achieve a quick victory.